Hello guys, it's Dale here with a new weekly trading ideas video. Before I jump into the trading ideas, let me just give you a quick reminder that the Halloween sale that I'm running on my best educational and indicator products is going to end tomorrow. If you want to get it, then go to my website and go to trading course and tools. And this will take you to this special Halloween page where you can get my education and indicators. There are 3 packs. The first one, Elite pack, focuses on volume profile trading. The other one, the order flow pack, focuses on day trading with order flow. And the third one focuses on investing with volume profile. The sale is ending tomorrow, and until then you can get all those packs for a special discounted price. You can also get all 3 together. If you scroll down a bit, then you can get a combo pack in here. Alright, so that's about that. That's about the special Halloween sale. And let me now switch over to the charts and talk about the trading ideas. So the first trading idea that I like to talk about is on gold. And the thing is that on gold, on Friday, there was a very strong and very aggressive buying activity. This one. And this buying activity is telling us that aggressive and strong buyers were active here. And those buyers must have accumulated their longs somewhere. It's too late to do it in here, in this buying activity. There's no time in here to accumulate huge long positions. The big trading institutions who move and manipulate the price need to do that before the move. Usually it's in the rotation before the move. And if you look in this place with volume profile, like I did, you can see that massive volumes were traded here before this strong buying activity. So this is telling us that buyers were active here, probably strong institutional buyers. They were accumulating their long positions in here, and then they pushed the price aggressively upwards. So when the price makes it back to this level, if it makes it to this level in the future, it is at 1993, then chances are that the buyers from here will want to defend this place, which is clearly important for them, and push the price upwards from there again. This setup is a volume profile setup that I like to trade. It is called the volume accumulation setup, and I like to trade this in situations like this one. And just a quick note, I probably forgot to mention it. This is 30-minute time frame of gold. My favorite time frame to do this volume profile analysis for day trading. The way I go about this is I look for those significant zones using volume profile. I mark them, set an alert, and when the price reaches the zone around that level, I open up the order flow software, and then with the order flow software I wait for confirmation. I want to see big traders jumping in, institutions jumping in here. That's the confirmation, and then I join them and I take the trade. You can do this blindly without order flow. You just wait for the pullback, take it from there, but order flow will massively increase your winning chances. Also, you are most likely going to get better trade entry, better exits, and better win rate. Alright, so that's about the gold. And let me now switch over to another trading idea. This one will be on the Australian dollar, US dollar. So this is the 30-minute chart of the Australian dollar, US dollar. And I want to talk about the level which I published in the members area for members of my trading course. In here you can see that the price made a very sharp reversal. This is the place where the price turned. A lot of people trade from this point, but I don't, because if you look into the reversal area with volume profile, the heaviest volumes were in here, and the beginning of that heavy volume zone in here, 0.6279. This is the most important place within this rejection, because this is the place where buyers were buying aggressively, and in the end reversed the price, but they placed most of the long positions before they turned the price in here, not in here. This is not really important place. Alright, this one is. So this is why I like to trade from such places. This setup is called the rejection setup. It is also one of the setups that I like to trade with volume profile. The way how this goes is you search the chart for significant reversals like this one, and then you use the flexible volume profile. That's the volume profile you can move around like this, and you want to see significant volume bump around the place where the price turned, like this one. Then you wait for the pullback, and if there is a pullback in the future, you trade from there. And again, if you want to increase your winning chances, then when the price reaches this zone, you open the order flow software and use it to get better trade entry, to confirm the trade, to get better trade exit. So that's for the Australian dollar, US dollar. And let me now switch over to the next chart. And it will be the Canadian dollar, Japanese yen. This is a 30-minute chart of the Canadian dollar, Japanese yen. As you can see, there was a very long rotation followed by a very strong and aggressive trend. When you see this, then you want to use the flexible volume profile to look into this whole zone and see how the volumes were distributed there. What you want to see are massive volumes in that rotation, which is followed by that trend. If there are heavy volumes, then it is telling you that sellers, most likely institutional sellers, were active here, building up their short positions, and afterwards they pushed the price aggressively downwards. But this is the most important place for the sellers, because they placed a lot of their short positions there. So when there is a pullback to this level, if there's a pullback, it is at 108.66, then chances are that there'll be a reaction, as the sellers from here will want to defend this place, which is clearly important for them. Alright, so that's the volume accumulation setup. What we need to do now is just wait for that pullback and take it from there. Now, additional thing that I really like about this level is that the aggressive sell-off started from this point. This is sort of an open drive setup. It is a price action setup that I like to look for. You can learn more about this setup or any other of my trading setups in the trading courses, which I showed you at the beginning of this video and which are discounted until tomorrow. So anyways, that's for the trading ideas. I hope you guys liked them. And before I wrap this video up, I'd like to announce a winner of a contest we had last time. The prize of the contest was a pack of my custom-made indicators for Tradingview platform. It's volume profile and Tradingview indicators. And right now on your screen, you see the name of the person who won in the contest. So congratulations to the winner. And what I'll do next is I'll do another contest for the next week. The only thing that you need to do to participate in the contest is leave a comment below this video, which I'll upload on YouTube, and next week I'll randomly pick one person to win those indicators. Alright, so that's about that. Thanks for watching the video, and I'll be looking forward to seeing you next time in some next video or in our members area. And until then, happy trading!